morning students. Today we are going to discuss about 6th standard science in NCERT book lesson 2 components of food. Okay, are you understand? In 4th video class what we have discussed, did you remember what we have discussed? Some topics are discussed. Okay, what are the topics are discussed? Today we are going to discuss about revision 4. The 4th video class what we have discussed means this. Now we are going to discuss about the 4th revision about what are the topics means. First topic is roughage. Second thing is water, and third one is the balanced diet. Balanced diet, that only in 4th video class we have discussed. Did you remember students? Okay, now we are going to discuss about one by one, then we are going to write the class work also. Okay, are you understand? Okay, listen here. First, what is mean by roughage? What is mean by roughage? Any idea? Okay, listen here. What is mean by roughage means which is nothing but roughage is the dietary fibers. What is mean by roughage? Roughage means dietary fibers. Dietary fibers. Are you understand? Roughage. What is mean by roughage? Roughage means which is nothing but that is a dietary fibers. Are you understand? Dietary fibers that it has a no nutritional value. What is that? Roughage also. Roughage is the no nutrition. Roughage is also called the dietary fibers is the no nutritional value. What is the no nutritional value? But in our body, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals also very important. And roughage and water and balanced diet also the roughage and water also the very important. Okay, then but it has a no nutritional value, but it is a very important for our body. Why we need the roughage? It is a proper digestion our body. Proper digestion our body. Are you understand? Roughage, we need roughage our body. Okay, why means it has a proper, it helps the proper digestion our body. And another one thing is to prevent constipation. To prevent constipation of our body. Some avoid the disturbance in our body. Suppose our stomach is pain, no, that is avoid some prevent constipation. Are you understand? Okay, some avoid some problems in our body. So the roughage also helps to prevent constipation. Okay, what are the sources of the roughage? Are you understand? In last class, in 4th video class, this and that we discussed. Okay, what is mean by roughage? What are the sources of roughage? Are you understand? Okay, what are the sources of roughage? Fruits, fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables and whole grains and pulses. Are you understand? This is the sources of roughage. Okay, this it holds the water. It helps the proper digestion. Are you understand? This is the roughage. Are you understand? What is the meaning of roughage? Roughage means which is nothing but that is the dietary fibers. Okay, there is no nutritional value. Are you understand? That proper, it helps the proper digestion in our body. Okay, then to prevent the constipation. Are you understand? Then what are the sources of roughages? What are the sources that present? What are the fruits? What are the food items present in roughage? Fruits and vegetables, whole grains and pulses. This is the sources of roughage. Okay, we need roughage, but it has a no nutrition value. But we need roughage. At the time only we feel proper digestion. Are you understand, students? Okay, let's say water. What are the other one thing? Water. water. It has also water has also no nutritional value. No nutritional value. Are you understand? What are the important function of water in our body? What are the important function of our body? Why we need water? Okay, why we important for our why we need important water for our body? What are the three things important for our body? Use water. What are the first thing? It helps to absorb. It helps to absorb nutrient from the food. What are the three important things of water? It helps to absorb the nutrient from the food. Are you understand? What is the second thing? It helps to transport the food, or it helps to supply the food throughout the body. Water helps to supply the food through the whole body, throughout the body. What is the another third one? It helps to remove the wastage. In our body, some wastages is there, no? Okay, what is the wastage? Urine and sweat. Okay, it helps to remove the wastage. Okay, water is the very important thing. So water is the very important for our body. Okay, and next thing. Next, fourth one is that it maintains the body temperature. Are you understand, students? Okay, water is the very important for our body. Are you understand? Okay, but it has no nutritional value. Roughage also no nutritional value, and water also no nutritional value. But it has the two important things. Very important for our body. Okay, why we need means it helps to absorb the water, helps to absorb the nutrient from the food. Are you understand? Okay, some vegetables contains water. Okay, to help prevent, that means it absorbs the water from where? From the food. Okay, at the time only the proper digestion. Okay, it helps to absorb the nutrient from the food. Another one thing, it helps to transport the food throughout the body, and it helps to remove the wastage. Which helps to water helps to remove the wastage. Wastage means urine and sweat. Are you understand? Remove the wastage. Next, it maintains the body temperature. Okay, so students, per one day, each and every day, per one person, 2 or 3 liters we take the water. Are you understand? So water is very important for our water sources are important, very important for our body. Are you understand? That things also we discussed in 4th video class. Are you understand? Okay, now we are going to next topic is the balanced diet. Okay, what is the meaning of balanced diet? Okay, it contains the nutrition contains all the nutrients. What is mean by nutrition? Nutrients is reaching nothing but all the nutrients present in our body. Okay, balanced diet means a balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in proper amounts. Okay, equal amounts. That is a proper amount of food. That is called the balanced diet. Okay, we maintain the balanced diet means you won't affect any disease. Or you understand what is mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet means which is nothing but a balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrient. What is the meaning of all the nutrient? Carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and roughly the water also that is called the balanced diet. Are you understand? See the chart mark. Balanced diet. Fat is the 10%. We need fat is 10% for our body. Fat content only 10% need our body. Okay, then fruits and vegetables 40% we need our body. Then fiber rich carbohydrates. Fiber and rich carbohydrates we need 25% need our body. Then protein contains 25% in our body. In last class we discussed about the what are the fat source, what are the fruits and vegetable source, you know. That is the mineral sources. And fiber rich carbohydrates, example rice, potatoes, that is the sources of carbohydrates. Protein sources of fruits and vegetables. That means the protein, what are the proteins? Eggs, milks, that is the protein source. Okay. Fat sources only we need our body only 10%. And fruits and vegetables we need 40%. And fiber rich carbohydrates is need 25%. And protein contains only 25%. This is called the balanced diet. Are you understand? This is called the balanced diet. That is the balanced diet, which is nothing but balanced diet is a diet, but only proper amount, right? Equal amount, right? Proper amount. Proper amount means fat is the 10%. Vitamins and minerals, that is the fruits and vegetables, the 40%. Okay, so each and every day we take only one fruits and vegetables. Okay, compulsory. At the time only we maintain a balanced diet. Or you understand? Some people didn't eat fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetable is very important for our body. At the time only we maintain a balanced diet. Okay, listen. Then fiber rich carbohydrates 25%. Or you understand? Protein is the 25%. Or you understand? This is called the balanced diet. Or you understand, students? Okay. In fourth video class, what we have discussed? Roughage, water, and balanced diet. This is called the balanced diet chart. Or you understand? Okay. Now we are going to write the class works. Okay. About roughage, water, and balanced diet. Okay. Okay, students, what is the first question means? What is mean by roughage? Then we can say another one method. Roughage presence in our food is important. Okay, roughage is important. Roughage presence in our food is important. Why? Are you understand? This is the question. Another one method. What is roughage? Are you understand? Already I have told what is mean by roughage. Roughage means which is nothing but that is the dietary fiber. It has no nutritional value but is very important for our body. Are you understand? Okay, see the answer. This is the answer. See the question once more. Roughage presence in our food is important. Why? Okay, answer. The fibrous content of food is called roughage. What is the fibrous content? That is the dietary fiber, no? It is the fibrous content of food is called roughage. This helps to digest our food and prevent constipation. Already I told you constipation means some problems, some struggles, some pain. Okay, to prevent the constipation. Then we get fiber. This is called the roughage. Where we get from roughage? We get fiber from foods like fruits and vegetables. Are you understand? Okay, this is called the roughage. Roughage is very important for our body. Why? So another one method. What is roughage? Are you understand? This is the answer. The fibrous content of food is called roughage. This helps to digest our food and prevent constipation. Then we get fiber food from foods like fruits and vegetables. Are you understand? This is the first question. Okay, and another one question is the second one. Water does not provide nutrient. Okay, yet it is an important component of food. Explain. Are you understand? Already I have told you, no, water also no nutritional value, but it is very important. Okay, why means give explanation. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food and also helps in removing wastage. What is the wastage? Such urine and important. Water helps to maintain the body temperature. That point only include your answers. Are you understand? Okay. This set the 2 questions. Are you understand, students? It's very very important. Okay. This have to write your classwork properly. And another one question is. The third question is define balanced diet. Okay. What is it? Define balanced diet. What is mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet that contains a nutrition, all the nutritional in proper amount. Okay, that is called the balanced diet. See here, the diet which contains all the essential nutrients in the right proportion is called a balanced diet. Right amount or right proportion is called a balanced diet. This is the protein, fiber rich carbohydrate, fruits and vegetables, fats. This is called the balanced diet. Okay, this is the right proportion is called balanced diet. Are you understand? Okay, next question. Write 3 important properties of balanced diet. What are the 3 important properties of a balanced diet? First one, it is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and certain amino acids. That means it contains fruits and vegetables. Okay, ma'am. It is rich in essential nutrients such as what are the important properties of balanced diet. Okay, it is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and certain amino acids. Okay, then it provides energy required by the body. Then it provides enough material to take care of the needs of growth and repair and replacement of cells, tissues and organs of the body. Okay, we maintain the balanced diet means at the time only we feel healthy. Are you understand, students? Oh, so each and every day we take balanced diet. That means we take fruits and vegetables and milk, egg and carbohydrates and fats also we take. Are you understand? So this is called the balanced diet. Are you understand, students? So you have to write the 4 questions you have to write in classwork. Are you understand, students? Next topic, deficiency disease. In next video we will discuss. Are you understand? Okay, students, some advice. Nothing but this is COVID-19 period, no? So some precautions is there, no? Wash your hands properly 20 minutes before eat. Are you understand? Okay, then wear mask. Whenever you go to outside means wear mask and maintain the social distance also. Be safe in your home. Okay, all the best. This is the classwork. How to write in your classwork. It's very very important. Okay, students, thank you. Be safe in your home.